Honey, I've got something really special for you. I know it's not Christmas yet, but I think I want you to hear this. I could go to a shop and find a gift to buy. I thought I'll be a little bit creative this year. I think it's worth a try. Rather than put something in your hand, I prefer to sow something in your heart. I want to tell you something about how much you mean to me. Where do I start? I'm not perfect, you're not perfect, but I think we're perfect together. Not made in China, not made in the UK, we're made for each other. My love for you will never change, no matter the weather. My commitment to you is set in stone, engraved in letters. I do. No one can come between me and you. We're stronger than knots, stronger than chains, stronger than the strongest glue. I'm so into you. No one can separate this mixture. I'm built for you. No one can break this structure. No storm, no rain, no loss, no gain. Good times and hard times, sweetheart, I'm staying. Not by my power, I depend on God's strength. I've started this marriage journey with you. I'm staying the full length. By myself, I thought I was okay, but I knew I would do better with two. They say there's many wife options out there, but I'm so glad, I'm so delighted, I'm so grateful that I was added to you. Two are better than one. That's God's equation. I could move a city alone, but with you, we have moved nations. I could have gone through this life all right. I could still get things done. I could have lost many battles, but because of you with me, I won. Your smile is my sun in the morning. Your cuddle is my medicine in the evening. I understand my purpose in life, but with you, I found a new way of living, a new way of giving, a new way of receiving. I thought I understood love, but you've given me a new meaning. God gives me breath, but you're my reason to keep breathing. I'm excited to finish work because I get to see you in the evening. Even as we age together, I won't trade you for something brand new or someone brand new. Time will pass, beauty may fade, but I still want brand you. Just as Christ loved the church, so a husband should love his wife. Christ died for the church. Honey, I give you my life. When I had nothing, you loved me as I am. When I had something, you still loved me as I am. When I was unknown, you loved me the same. When I reached all this fame, you loved me the same. Why are you still with him? Many people thought it strange, but through the highs and the lows, the intensity of your love for me has not changed. To everyone watching and listening, many of you may have seen these words and thought I was talking about my wife. I'm not married yet. I was using these words to show you what God's love for you is like. What can separate you from the love of God? Nothing you have done or nothing you will do. He gave his only son to save the world, and he would do it if it was only for you. Merry Christmas, everyone. God loves you, and I do too.